Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Speaking. I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. Wow, it feels nice to sit down and talk again.
You sound very relaxed today, Tom.
I actually am, and I think it's because I've been paying more attention to my health recently.
Oh, really? That already sounds like today's topic, doesn't it?
Yes, today we're talking about health, something we all know is important but often forget about.
That's so true. People always say health is everything, but many of us only realize it when something goes wrong.
Exactly. Huh. When we're young, we think we're strong and nothing can stop us.
Oh, yes. I remember staying up late, eating junk food, and still feeling fine the next day.
Same here. I used to think sleep was optional.
But now?
Now, if I sleep less than 7 hours, my whole day feels strange.
Same. My mood, my energy, even my concentration changes.
That's when I realized health isn't just about not being sick, it's about how you feel every single day.
I really like that point. Health is not only physical, but also mental.
Yes, mental health is something people didn't talk about much before.
True, but now we're slowly learning that stress, anxiety, and emotions matter a lot.
Definitely. Sometimes you look healthy on the outside, but inside, you feel exhausted.
Oh, wow, that's so relatable.
I think many listeners are nodding right now.
Probably. So, Tom, what was the first health habit you tried to change?
Honestly, drinking more water.
That sounds simple, but it's actually hard.
Exactly. I used to drink coffee all day and forget about water.
Oh no, that sounds dangerous.
Ha, my body wasn't happy, trust me.
I can imagine. I also noticed that when I drink enough water, my skin feels better and I feel less tired.
Yes, small things really make a difference.
That's something I want our listeners to remember. Health is built from small daily habits.
Not big dramatic changes, just small steps every day.
Exactly, like walking more, stretching, or just standing up after sitting too long.
Huh, guilty. I sit too much.
Same here, especially when working on the computer.
That's why I started taking short breaks, even just 5 minutes.
5 minutes can change a lot, actually.
Yes, I stretch, breathe, and look away from the screen.
Speaking of breathing, do you ever do breathing exercises?
I do now, but before, I thought it was kind of silly.
Me too. I used to think I breathe anyway, why practice it?
But then you realize most of the time we breathe very shallowly.
Especially when we're stressed or busy.
Exactly. Deep breathing really helps calm the mind.
I love doing it before sleeping.
Same, it helps me fall asleep faster.
Sleep is another huge part of health.
Oh yes, maybe the biggest one.
Without good sleep, everything feels harder.
Mood, focus, even appetite changes.
I eat more sweets when I'm tired.
Same here, my body just wants quick energy.
That's why we should be kind to ourselves, not judge too much.
I really like that. Be kind to yourself.
Health is not about being perfect
It's about doing your best most of the time.
and forgiving yourself when you don't.
Ha, that's very important.
So, before we end today's conversation, Tom, I want to ask you something simple.
Sure, go ahead. I'm ready.
When you think about health now, what is the most important thing for you?
That's a good question. I think balance is the most important thing.
Balance between what and what?
Balance between work and rest, between effort and relaxation, and between body and mind.
Wow, that sounds very wise.
I learned it the hard way.
I think many people do.
Yes, sometimes you need to feel tired or stressed before you realize something must change.
That's true, but I hope our listeners can learn a little earlier.
Me too. If you're listening right now, maybe this is your sign.
A sign to slow down just a little.
A sign to drink some water.
Or stretch your shoulders.
Or take a deep breath right now.
Let's do it together. Inhale slowly.
And exhale slowly.
That already feels better, doesn't it?
Yes, simple but powerful.
Health doesn't need to be complicated English words or difficult rules.
Just small actions you repeat every day.
Like walking a bit more.
Sleeping a bit better.
Eating a little more mindfully.
And speaking kindly to yourself.
I love that one the most.
Me too. The way you talk to yourself really matters.
So if today wasn't perfect, that's okay.
Tomorrow is another chance.
And even 5 minutes of care counts.
5 minutes is better than 0, always.
Before we say goodbye, let's remind our listeners.
Yes, your health is not a race.
You don't need to compare yourself with others.
Just focus on feeling a little better than yesterday.
And remember, learning English is also part of mental health.
Yes, when learning is fun and relaxed, your brain feels happy.
We're really glad you spent this time with us today.
Thank you for listening and taking care of yourself.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please like and subscribe to Easy English Speaking.
And share it with someone you care about.
We'll be back with more natural English and real-life conversations.
Until then, stay healthy, stay kind, and keep learning.
Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.